Are your Steam games taking forever to patch? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Steam game patching issues so you can get back to gaming without the wait. First, let's start by giving Steam a clean slate. Open your Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete and selecting Task Manager. Look for Steam in the list of running programs, click on it, and select End Task. This shuts down any processes that could be causing the patch to hang. Once Steam is fully closed, reopen it and log back in. Often, a simple restart is enough to clear temporary glitches and get things moving again. Next, head to Settings from the Steam menu and go to the Download section. Here, you'll see the option to clear download cache. Click it. This refreshes Steam's download pipeline and removes any corrupted files that might be slowing down your patch. Now, go to your library, right-click the game that's stuck patching, and select Properties. Navigate to the Installed Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan your game files and replace any that are corrupted or missing. This step often solves stubborn patching problems. Finally, after verification is complete, restart Steam one more time. This ensures all changes take effect and gives the client a fresh start. By following these steps, you should see your Steam patches run smoothly and without unnecessary delays. No more endless waiting, just straight back to your favorite games. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.